Guys, here's my 20G XT from Blouch. I removed it because I was getting massive oil consumption and smoke out my exhaust, and turbo's pretty much blown. You could see here where it's been scraping the housing. Right there. It still spins, but a lot of shaft play. It was a pain in the ass to get out, but got it. And here's the exhaust side. You can see the scrapes where it's been hitting. I was getting massive exhaust smoke. And if you could see here, there's oil in there where you can see it's sitting right here. And it was even blowing oil through the other side as well. Easy fix. Just got to take it to Blouch. They're about 90 minutes away from me, and they'll rebuild it, and it'll be back and running in no time. There's my downpipe. There's my intercooler piping with the alcohol nozzle, all my tools. Take off the wastegate to get to one of the downpipe bolts. It took about 3 hours. All my other tools. Here's where the turbo was. It had oil everywhere. Went all the way down. And that's that. Wondering why the turbo is all rusted. It's because I had the wrap over it. So that's all that is. The exhaust side again. Okay. Good stuff. Blouch turbo. Started burning oil like crazy out the tailpipe. Stopped hitting peak boost and made funny noises. It's a Blouch 20G XT journal burn. Had about 45 to 50,000 miles, pushing 24, like 20 to 24 pounds. Getting it rebuilt and put back in. See all the oil it shot into there. There's oil coming out the downpipe, cat back, burning in the exhaust. A fine layer of oil was sitting on the trunk and it blew because it just started throwing out clouds of smoke.